Welcome. Today I will show you how to change watch faces and other options on the Fitbit Charge 2. So as you can see, I already have one here. It's already paired with the device, and you will need a application on your phone. So that's why I have the phone here. And to do it, we'll need to go actually to the application. So launch it. And from there, tap on the little icon on the top. And you should see from here your connected Charge 2 device, which is right here for me. You can just tap on it, and from here you'll have the list of other things, but we're looking at the start for clock display from here, and you get to choose whichever one you like from the ones that are provided. So as you can see, there's a few of them, and then let's say once you choose, you can just select choose, and now the device, you can see it's changed to the one that I selected. Then you can also customize things that are displayed, so show hide, as you can see, things like that you have throughout the pages, so heartbeat, run, stopwatch. But this one actually goes to the I think the main display, so the one that was at the start with a couple other options visible. And menu items, so right here you can turn off heart rate and other, basically the pages that I was just showing you through. So you can disable them, and just as an example, I'm going to disable heart rate, and sometimes it doesn't go automatically, so for some reason it needs sometimes a little bit of time to update. But basically once you disable it, it will disappear from the page. Just not exactly sure how long it takes. I previously changed the watch face, so basically the first screen, and it took me like a minute or two for it to actually take effect. So okay, as you can see, now it's gone. It just disappeared now. So you can, from here you can disable other things as well. Well, not here. Menu items, right? Yeah, so heart rate, and you can also rearrange them, so you can just drag the position to where you want them, and it will basically change the position of which one it is. So assuming first one you have the normal clock, then you have the stopwatch notifications, so clock, stopwatch, or run was first, which is whatever this is, exercise, differently named, stopwatch, then notification. I guess it's not really changed yet, but as you've seen, it might take a little bit for it to actually change, but basically however you organize it, it will eventually go in that order. So whenever you click the button, it will jump from one face to another to the way that it's organized at the moment. So yeah. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.